Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the assignment problem with the help of the Hungarian method. Now look at the problem. There are 4 worker W1, W2, W3 and W4 and there are 4 jobs J1, J2, J3 and J4. Now here we want to find out which job to be assigned to which work. Therefore we are going to solve the assignment problem with the help of the Hungarian method. First of all, check the number of rows and number of columns in the given problem. The number of rows equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and number of columns are equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we can say that number of rows are equal to number of columns and this is the balanced assignment problem. In this assignment problem, first step is the row reduction. Now for the row reduction, first of all identify the smallest element in each row and subtract that smallest element from the each element of the row. Now look at the first row. The smallest element in the first row is 400. In the second row, the smallest element is 300. In the third row, the smallest element is 200. And in the fourth row, the smallest element is 300. For the row reduction, in the first row, the smallest element is 400. Therefore, subtract this 4 from each element of the row. 1000 minus 400, 1200 minus 400, 400 minus 400 and 900 minus 400. In the second row, 300 is the smallest element, therefore subtract this from each element of the row. 600 minus 300, 500 minus 300, 300 minus 300 and 800 minus 800. Similarly, in the third row, 200 is the smallest element. 200 minus 200, 300 minus 200, 400 minus 200, 500 minus 200. Similarly, in the last row, the smallest element is 300. Subtract this 300 from each element of the row. 600 minus 300, 700 minus 300, 300 minus 300 and 1000 minus 300. After this calculation, our matrix will be like this. The second step of the assignment problem is the column reduction. For the column reduction, first of all identify the smallest number in the column. In the first column, smallest number is 0. In the second column, smallest number is 100. In the third column, smallest number is 0. And in the fourth column, smallest number is 300. Now again for the column reduction, subtract the smallest number from the each element of the column. After column reduction, our matrix will be like this. Our first step was the row reduction and the second step was the column reduction. After this, we want to draw the minimum number of lines to cover all the 0 of the matrix. So for that purpose, we will follow the row scanning and column scanning. In the row scanning, start with the first row. If the row contains exactly 1 0, mark the square around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0. Otherwise, skip that one. Now look at the first row. In the first row, exactly 1 0 is there. Therefore, mark square around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0. In the second row, no any 0. In the third row, there are 3 0. Therefore, we will skip that third row. And in the fourth row also there is no any 0. Still there are 3 0 that are uncovered. Therefore now we will go for the column scanning. Now in the column scanning, start from the first column. If the column contains exactly 1 0, mark square around it and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. Otherwise skip that column. In the first column only 1 0 is there. Therefore we will mark square around it and we will draw the horizontal line. In the second column there is no any 0. In the third column is deleted and fourth column 1 0 was there but that 0 is deleted, therefore no 0. Now after these lines, count the number of lines. There are 2 lines and the order of matrix is 4 by 4, that is 4. The number of lines is not equal to order of the matrix. Therefore we can say that here we cannot get the optimal solution. Now for the next step, first of all, there are some uncovered elements like 600, 300, 300, 700, 100 and 300, 200, 200 and 400. Now from this uncovered element, identify the smallest number. Now the smallest number, least number in the uncovered element is the 100 and add that 100 to the intersection number of the 2 lines. Means we will subtract this 100 from 600, 700, 300, 300, 300, 400, 200 and 200. And we will add this 100 to this intersection 200 plus 100. Now therefore our matrix will be 600 minus 100 is equal to 500, 700 minus 100 is equal to 600, 300 minus 100 is equal to 200 and 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. This side 200 minus 100 is equal to 100, 200 minus 100 is equal to 100. Fourth row 300 minus 100 is equal to 200, 300 minus 100 is equal to 200. 300 minus 100 is equal to again 200, and 400 minus 100 is equal to 300. And add this 100 to the intersection number. 200 plus 100 is equal to 300, and write down the remaining numbers as it is: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. After this step, again we want to draw the minimum number of lines to cover all the 0 of the matrix. Now for that purpose, again we will follow the row scanning and column scanning. In the row scanning, we will start with the first row. If the row contains exactly 1 0, then we will mark square around it and we will draw the vertical line passing through that 0. Otherwise, we will skip the row. In the first row, only exactly 1 0 is there, therefore mark square around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0. In the second row, only 1 0 is there, this 0 is deleted, therefore mark square around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0. In the third row, 2 zeros are there, therefore skip that row. In the fourth row, no any 0 there, this 0 is deleted. Now after row scanning, still 2 zeros are uncovered, therefore we will go for the column scanning. Now for the column scanning, start with the first column. If the column contained exactly 1 0, mark square around it and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0, otherwise skip the column. In the first column, 1 0 is there exactly, mark square around it and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. In the second column is deleted, third column is deleted, therefore skip that 0. And in the fourth column, no any 0 is there, this 0 is also deleted. The number of lines are equal to 1, 2 and 3. The number of lines are 3 and the order of matrix is 4. Therefore, we can say that number of lines are not equal to the order of matrix. Therefore, here we cannot get the optimal solution. Therefore, we will go for the next step. Now, in the next step, again we have to follow the, again we have to identify the uncovered element in this matrix. The uncovered elements are 500, 200, 200, 100, 100 and 300. Now out of that uncovered element, undeleted element, identify the smallest number. The smallest number is again 100. Subtract this smallest number from each uncovered element. 500 minus 100, 200 minus 100, 200 minus 100, 300 minus 100, 100 minus 100, here also 100 minus 100. And add this 100 to intersection of the element. Here 0 plus 100 and 300 plus 100. After this, our resultant matrix will be like this. Now again here we want to draw the minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros. Now for that purpose, again we will follow the row scanning and column scanning. In the row scanning, we will start with the first row. If the row contains exactly 1 0, then we will mark square around it and we will draw the vertical line and passing through that 0. Otherwise we will skip that row. Now look at the first row. In the first row there are 2 0, therefore skip that row. In the second row there are 3 0, skip that row. In the fourth row there are 2 0, skip that row. In the fourth row there are exactly 1 0. Mark square around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0. Now after row scanning, still there are some zeros that are uncovered by the line. Therefore we will go for the column scanning. Now for the column scanning, start with the first column. If column contained exactly 1 0, then mark square around it and draw the vertical line and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. Otherwise skip the column. Now in the first column, look at the first column. There is exactly 1 0, therefore mark square around it and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. In the second column also there is exactly 1 0. Mark square around it and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. Third column is deleted, and in the fourth column there are 3 0 but 2 zeros are deleted, therefore mark here square and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. Now we have completed the row scanning and column scanning. Now count the number of lines: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number of lines are equal to 4 and order of the matrix is also equal to 4. Therefore we can say that number of lines are equal to the order of matrix. Here we can get the optimal solution. There the first row, this J4 job will be assigned to the W1, this J2 job will be assigned to W2, J1 job will be assigned to W3 and this J3 job will be assigned to the W4. Therefore our final answer is worker and job. J4 job is assigned to W1, J2 job will be assigned to W2, J1 job will be assigned to W3 and J3 job will be assigned to W4. Now for the final time calculation, refer our original matrix. Now look at the numbers W1 and J4. W1 and J4, the value is 900. Here write down 900. W2 and J2, the value is 500 unit. Write down 500. J3 and J1, 200 unit. and J4 and J3 300 unit. Here I would like to tell you one very important thing. For the final calculation, we have refer our original question, original problem, and from that we have extract the value. For final answer is 900.